There is a platform that I've been using over the past couple months that has made my investing life so much easier. Now, 5 years, I was manually updating spreadsheets, updating graphs, tracking my dividends, and it's waived in literally minutes because I took the time to connect my passive platform to Questrade, to Wealthsimple, to see my $351,000 portfolio, which gets real-time updates and lets me see my dividend contributions automatically. And I can do automated trading with a click of a button without having to log into every one of those accounts. Has been a huge time saver. So in today's video, I want to go through the platform called Passive and all the features that I love about it. I'm going to do a review of it so you can decide if it's right for you. I'm also going to do a demo of automated trading through Questrade on Passive, which is literally a click of a button, and you can see real-time updates. Also, I'll share a reveal of my dividend portfolio and a bunch of other features that I love about Passive. Plus, I'll share the stocks that I've been buying that are super undervalued because I'm a bargain hunter. There are a lot of platforms out for Americans. This one platform, Passive, is made for Canadians. Now, I'm not the type of person that does a lot of detailed reviews or promote any type of product unless I'm actually using it and love it. Let's talk about what Passive is all about. Now, if you're like me and you're overwhelmed by data and the data is all over the place and you got multiple accounts, Wealthsimple, etc., that's where this interface is so easy to use. It tracks everything that matters to you in a single easy to read dashboard. If you ever want to see the full picture, your spouse's account, your own account, your corporate account, your RESP in one easy to use dashboard, that's where Passive shines. It's great for tracking Canadian US investments or any other foreign investments that you have. It rebalances your portfolio between multiple brokerages, which is a huge time saver, and can do automated trading for you if you're using Questrade. Let's talk about security. If you're like me, you're probably pretty cautious about linking, brokerage accounts and financial information to another platform. Now, if you're worried about privacy issues, you don't have to worry about it because Passive never has access to your account credentials. You can feel safe linking, for example, Wealthsimple, Questrade to Passive, because when you actually log in and link them in a matter of minutes, you're actually going into Wealthsimple platform to log in. So you actually don't share this information with Passive. So let's jump into one of the accounts and do a live demo of what I mean automated trading. I'm going to demo a couple of stocks that I've been eyeing that I think are completely undervalued, and you're going to see it live making this trade on the Passive platform with a click of a button. So let's jump into one of the accounts. So rather than logging into your Questrade account, you can literally do this on Passive, which I love. So I'm going to look for Smart Centers because Smart Centers getting killed like many REITs, and same with financial institutions. So I'm going to put a market order. I'm going to buy 5 units just to try this out. So right now it's saying Questrade is charging me $4.97 in trade commissions, and it's going to cost me $218 to buy these 5 units. I'm going to just place the trade just to see how it works, and it's executed. I could do the same thing with my RSP. I have $236 in cash. Maybe I'll buy some TD Bank, or actually what I've been really eyeing is Bank of Nova Scotia. So let's do a trade of Bank of Nova Scotia for my RSPs. I'm going to increase my weighting to RioCan. I'll just execute the trade right now. The only thing I'm worried about it is its payout ratio, which I really need to watch that like a hawk. But it's gone through so much turmoil in the past few decades that I'm confident it'll navigate again. I just always wary of a dividend cut because it's happened before. But I'm going to just buy, 10 shares of this and preview order. I'm going to place the trade. So now it got updated. It took a few minutes to actually update and see the units increase. Now, how does this platform compare to other platforms available in Canada? Well, bottom line is that I've been yearning for this for years, and there literally isn't any platform for Canadians quite like this. Sure, there is Wealth Account where you can see your portfolio in one view, but you can't make trades off of that platform. And it does cost money if you want to get real-time updates, which is a bummer because Wealthica used to be free. Because Passive just offers automate trading where you can literally click a button and make a trade without having to log into Questrade is a no-brainer. It also rebalances your portfolio. It tells you what trades you can buy. They're underweighted against your portfolio. I feel like just a bunch of the features that Passive offers, there's just no comparison. Now let's talk about pricing. There is a community user where it costs $0 and it does automated calculations for you, gives you notifications when you get dividends. You can even set up multiple portfolios, multiple accounts in one dashboard view, which is amazing. And it allows you to connect to multiple brokerages like Wealthsimple, Questrade, soon RBC Direct Investing. Now the elite version, which is the one I have because I'm a Questrade user, it costs me $0. So this is where one-click trades saves you a ton of time. I love the fact that it has a tax efficient portfolio feature in the elite version. Now, if you're not Questrade user, don't worry, I got you. You can click on my link below and you get 50% off the annual fee, which is like so cheap, especially if you're managing hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. As promised, my dividend contributors, you can see the dividend history from 20 to 2023. You can see the growth of dividends. You can see where the biggest dividend contributors in that one portfolio. So it's aggregating all the accounts and you can see the dividends in here, which is free for community users. You see that the 3 biggest dividend players in this one portfolio is RioCan, TD Bank, and SmartCentres. All these aggregate pays me a monthly dividend of $238. But keep in mind, this portfolio is much more tech heavy. Haven't been focusing a lot of attention on dividend players. Now I'm going to demo a cool feature. If you are all about big picture, a planner, you want to know how much exactly you want to contribute per month to hit your goals, it's done for you right here. So I'm going to set up a big goal for this one portfolio. I'm going to say with my family, this is my husband and my accounts. This does not reflect my entire portfolio. It's just with this one account. I'm going to say, I want to reach, let's just say $1 million. So if I show detailed view, I'm going to say it's like I have to contribute $8,000, at least $8,000 every month until November 2028 with an annual rate. I'm hoping, of course, it's not linear, 8% a year. And it would grow my $290,000 portfolio to $1 million in 5 years. That's why it's called a big goal. What do you guys think about Passive? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you are a Questrade user, you can use Passive, the elite features for free. It's no brainer. If you're not a Questrade user, then you could just sign up to Questrade to get Passive for free, or you get 50% off the membership right now using my affiliate link. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.